Hey guys, I've got the best grape salad. Now you may not see me much, but that's okay. And here we have 1 8-ounce thing of cream cheese softened, and I've already whisked it pretty good. You can use a mixer, but mine's soft, so I just whisk it so there's no, you don't want any cream cheese lumps. And then we're going to put a cup of sour cream. So that's a 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, an 8-ounce thing of sour cream. This is very simple. The most bestest grape salad. Most best. Okay, so we've got 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, 1/3 a cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. You can put just a little bit more vanilla if you want it. Just cream that real good. Guys, this is such a simple dessert. But so tasty. They used to have this, I'm going to tell you, they used to have this in a restaurant. I took Miss Susie, or didn't take Miss Susie, but Miss Susie met us at Fried Green Tomatoes. I think that's the name of it. Fried tomato. Oh, Miss Susie, I can't even remember the name of that restaurant. It's in Noonan, Georgia. But they always had this grape salad. It was so good. So I went on a search of finding out how to make it. So now we've got our 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, and 1/3 a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Look how creamy. To that, guys, simple. I'm adding almost, this is right at 3 pounds of grapes. You can use up to 4 pounds with this mixture, but I don't have 4 pounds. All I had was my red grapes, and you can use red and green grapes. It makes it real pretty, more especially right here at Christmas. Then you just literally just stir it up, get all your grapes covered in that yumminess. Guys, this is the simplest dessert. And kids love it, adults love it. Oh, it's just so good. Okay, now, so you can tell where I could have, if I'd had more grapes, I could have used more grapes. Because, see, there's an abundance of the stuff, so you can use more. Now, to top it all off, we take some brown sugar. And you usually, now you can spread this out in like a 8 by 8, 9 by 13, whatever. You can like spread it out so that this gets all over it. But you just take your brown sugar and you just sprinkle a good amount, however much you want, really. I like a good amount of brown sugar all over it. Now, I also like a good amount of pecans, because once you go to serve it, then you can stir it all up and your brown sugar's all in it. This is just to make it look pretty for when you go to serve it at your meal for dessert, or just for like a afternoon snack, for a game snack on game day. Putting quite a bit of pecans because I love the pecan part of it. But you can do, you can use however much you want. But anyhow, and there we go, guys. The simplest grape salad. Now, it is good if you go ahead and make it ahead of time. Let it sit in the refrigerator for, you can let it sit overnight, or at least for, 2 or 3 hours, to let it all chill together and kind of marry together. But guys, this is one for the record books. I'm going to go ahead and taste me one. Get one with some brown sugar and some pecans. Oh, I'm going to tell you. I can't wait till tomorrow now, because we'll have that tomorrow afternoon. So, anyhow, that's it for tonight, guys. Me Sunny shopped all afternoon and I'm tired. Now, I'll tell you, you can toast your pecans if you want to. I don't like mine toasted, but you can toast them. guys, that's a good dessert. Quick and easy and yummy. Okay? All right, y'all go have a good night. And I don't really know what I know. Let me tell y'all the debacle. You know, we always have some debacle going on. But I got the babies a swing, a new swing. I know some said, well, you could have bought seats, and I just didn't think about that. I wanted them to have one of those little wood swings, the little one. And so I bought it. And when Bo and Blue went to, I've been asking them to put it together for the last about a week. And when they went to put it together tonight, the first part they started on was the stairs. It's one of them that has the little stairs that have those little, you know, kind of like you're climbing the hill or something. It has those little pieces on it. Well, the place that they did 3. I think they tried 3 different ones. I know they tried 2. But anyhow, and I don't know, maybe if they hit too hard or it's just, you know, was just supposed to happen. But anyhow, the wood split. Split to the point of unusable for the stairs, but thank goodness it was just the stairs. So when me and Sonny got home, I told him to bring me the book, because, you know, I'm one of them that there's a way to make things work, I feel like. So I had him bring me the book. And I read through the book. And guys, I think I can put it together. So I'm going to be putting a swing set together tomorrow afternoon, which I know will take a good long while. So once I get most of the pieces together and we start assembling it, I might come live over on Driftwood and Shine. It just depends on how hard it is and, you know, all the good things. So, you never can tell with me. Never can tell. But anyhow, I was just going to share that little debacle with you. And it may just be that maybe they just needed to tap tenderly and they tapped hardly. I don't know. But the first 3 pieces of wood split. But thank goodness it was the stairs, because I can always go to the wood pile or either go to Home Depot and buy another piece of wood the same size and use that wood as my key to, you know, my, what do you call it? My pattern, to have a pattern. So that's what I'm planning on doing tomorrow, guys. Just putting a swing set together. I hope the rain holds off. It's supposed to rain on Monday, Christmas Day, but I'm hoping the rain holds off tomorrow afternoon. If it doesn't, I'm liable to push everything aside in my living room and at least put pieces together in my living room, and then we can get outside and put the other pieces together. We'll see. But anyhow, I love you. Y'all make y'all some grape salad now, because it is so good. But let it sit in the refrigerator and marry all together. Get all the sour cream and the cream cheese and the sugar and the vanilla all, you know, married together on those grapes. And then right before you serve it, you can put it out pretty like that with your brown sugar and your pecans. And they can dip it that way. Now, if you're going to let them just dip it, they can dip it that way. Or you can stir it up when you get ready to eat. It's up to you. All right. I love you. And I'll see you later, Lord willing. Bye, guys. Me too, Sharon. I just do it if I have to. All right. Love you guys. Bye.